Ipajang soba ya pibaroki paraloki para jor sasisin jaka simple life story. U Bah Mayborn lengdo ubadai unong akiten ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya fastom ula penpau ya gejing bom ngau tenat ya kaneka sorga halor ka rukom pynkiew tulop jongka kabalong mar khongpong berkajing dawa ki Nonghikai. Haba keren menen gas ni haden gajing yalang jongka konhun menteri U Bah Mayborn ulaong ba U Bah prestun tensong U Bah la keluar ban manghadu ars paklur na kabentaki Nonghikai hendrai tang haki hendiat sngi ka ars paklur kala kela sis paklur. Sanoja kasih Pak Klur, bo jingkeli U Bah Mayborn.
We are not happy, Mr. Konrad Sangma. We are not happy, Mr. Prestun Tensong. And we are not happy, Mr. Lakman Rambo. In the other day, while Sir Prestun Tensong was addressing the press, he stated that the government is going to allocate 200 crores. But the number that came today is 100 crore. Where is the 100 crore? Where did it go to? How can in a few days, 2-3 days, 100 crore or 200 crore becomes 100 crore? We do not even understand that.
Habayaro ya U Mukul Sangma U Bah Mayborn ulaong ba U Mukul Sangma haus nem ar hajar kan reu ula pynkiew ya ka tulop ki Nonghikai da sis pa persen wala gitu ki por ka budget ka Meghalaya kadang long khatlai hajar klur habayanu jor bat menta ka budget ka Meghalaya kalapoi kan nyeu hajar klur.
We really appreciate what the leader of the opposition party Dr. Mukul Sangma has done. In the year 2016, he has upgraded the enhancement by 100%. If you take a look from 2013 to 2016, the salary increased by 100%. So if we talk in terms of the higher secondary teachers, because I am a higher secondary teacher, we moved from 12,000 to 24,000. And that is in the past. That is at a time where the budget allocation of Meghalaya was 13,000 crores. But if we take a look at the present context, the budget allocation of Meghalaya is 17,500 plus crores.